In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Adobe Acrobat, following this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Adobe or just need a refresher, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This serves as your workspace where you'll make all your text edits. Once your document is open, take a look at the top toolbar. Here you should spot the Edit option, which is your gateway to making changes. After clicking Edit, direct your attention to the text you'd like to modify. Simply clicking on the text you want to edit will allow you to start making changes immediately. Now you have the ability to type new text, delete any portions you no longer need, or correct any typos that might have slipped through. Editing your text is more than just adding or removing words. You have options to enhance the visual appearance of your document. For instance, by highlighting the text, you can change its font, adjust the size, or even play around with the color. This feature is particularly useful if you're customizing a document to align with branding guidelines or personal preferences. Next, think about how your text is structured on the page. You can easily adjust text alignment to be left, center, or right aligned. This flexibility ensures that your document's layout looks polished and professional. Formatting is another powerful tool available in Adobe Acrobat. You might want to emphasize parts of your text. Applying styles such as bold, italic, or underline can make key information stand out to your readers. It is as simple as selecting your text and choosing the format you desire. Additionally, tweaking line and paragraph spacing can dramatically affect readability and the overall flow of your document. Adjusting these settings can help you create documents that are both visually appealing and easy to read. Now that we've covered the basics, I encourage you to explore the rest of the editing options available in Adobe Acrobat. There's a wealth of tools and features designed to support your creativity and enhance your text editing capabilities. Each function can contribute to creating a document that's both effective and attractive. As you experiment and get comfortable with these tools, you'll find that editing text in Adobe Acrobat becomes an intuitive part of your workflow. Whether you're preparing a professional report or simply adjusting a personal document, these skills will surely come in handy. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.